Hello, my name is Foreman Fred and I am the Chief Content Assistant at Construction Links Network, the peer-to-peer digital content sharing platform for the construction, building and design community. Welcome to dispatch number 24. This dispatch highlights the news, blog shares, announcements and videos shared by the members of Construction Links Network over the past week. Sharing content on Construction Links Network is easy and budget-friendly. Our members use this service to share their content with their peers in the construction, building and design community. Check out our current members and search their content shares. Let's get started with membership news. Autonomy lessons from early adopters. Making the shift to semi-autonomous or fully autonomous applications is complex, particularly in remote locations. It often involves a complete redesign of the mine and an overhaul of existing processes. We've learned from early implementers that the biggest challenge isn't the technology itself, but the impact it has on people, process and technology. IPD case study, Oakville Trafalgar Community Center. Graham, and its partners, delivered the Oakville Trafalgar Community Center on budget and on schedule through an integrated project delivery, IPD, method. IPD is a highly collaborative process where the contractor and key trades evaluate the design before commitments are made, enabling cost-saving improvements. Easily remove asphalt pavements with German engineering. The German-engineered machine provides the best possible solution to get the surface prepared correctly for final overlayment and is used regularly to prepare floors in retail centers, industrial buildings, hospitals, and parking garages, as well as prepare bridge, concrete road, and asphalt road surfaces for resurfacing. A recent Procore survey shows that Canadian construction managers are estimated to save 4.5 hours a week in companies' $446,000 a year through access to real-time data. The research explores the impact of construction companies having real-time insights into their project management processes, or visibility of performance, through cloud-based software compared to traditional manual processes that can be more difficult to assess. SBC Product Knowledge Webinar. Capital Cost Allowance for Energy Conservation. Sustainable Buildings Canada invites you to the latest in our recurring series of webinars highlighting products that will help reduce energy and water consumption, and greenhouse gas emissions. This webinar discusses a topic that influences the adoption of many sustainable technologies, the Capital Cost Allowance, or CCA. IAPMO seeks Canadian input on development of IAPMO Z1001 as Canadian national standard. This standard covers prefabricated gravity grease interceptors made of concrete, fiber-reinforced polyester, thermoplastic, or steel, and specifies requirements for design, materials, performance, testing and markings. Bid on Command Center at Concrete Industry Management Program Auction. The Concrete Industry Management Program awards students with a 4-year degree in concrete industry management and the annual auction as its primary funding source. Lowe's Canada raises a record amount of $1.2 million for Children's Miracle Network and Opération Enfant Soleil. To raise this record amount, teams from Lowe's, Rona, and Reno Depot corporate and participating affiliated stores collected donations at checkout or sold tickets during the spring. Customers also had the possibility to contribute to the campaign on the banner's websites, and Lowe's Canada added to the amount raised with a corporate donation. IAPMO advances development of 2024 uniform codes during technical committee meetings. The International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Officials last week completed technical committee meetings toward the development of the 2024 editions of the Uniform Plumbing Code and Uniform Mechanical Code, which will update the 2021 UPC and UMC, American national standards governing the installation and maintenance of plumbing and mechanical systems nationwide. Online Indigenous Cultural Awareness Training for the Architecture Community. This course is for anyone who works with Indigenous communities or organizations, anyone who employs an Indigenous workforce, anyone committed to social, cultural, or economic development, and anyone committed to a stronger Canada, a more compassionate Canada, and a Canada of empowered Indigenous communities. Now let's take a look at some member videos that have been added to the Construction Links Network video gallery this week. Don't miss the 2021 Connected Construction Forum. Learn how to make your job easier and more collaborative at the Connected Construction Forum. Register now. Tech Talks. How tall can I build with wood? Check out the Canadian Wood Council's 2-minute Tech Talk video on how tall you can build with wood. Interested in learning more? Concrete Ready Mix software with Ohio Ready Mix streamlined efficiency. Jeremy Sloan, Vice President at Ohio Ready Mix, talks about how important the Command Alcon's connected technologies are to their processes. This video shows how Command Alcon's software streamlines their operations to be more efficient. Well, that wraps up this edition of Member News and Views for this week. I'm Foreman Fred. Thanks for watching, and until the next dispatch, take care.